Well, it's me, Carla Moore, Lord of mercy. Big as a cartwheel dumpling and twice as round. Me no want to understand how me just big. Me big like a house. Me big and wagga wagga. I am big. I'm so big that I'm starting to do fat people things for no reason. Me I walk and I swing my body from side to side and I don't have any body. I'm just breathing hard for no reason. I'm big, right? Independence celebrations, and I enjoyed myself, and I had all of the Independence breadfruit, I had all the Independence ackee, I had all the Independence cakes, I had everything in the name of Jamaica 50, and I didn't do one workout because I emancipated myself from working out. Like I tell you something, I have put on some weight. Me look like a strong body black woman. 5 more pounds, I'm ready for pregnancy. My fat till me look fertile. Me just look fertile, like I'm ready to be with child right now. That's where I am. So, me start back the little working out. You know, me was working out with Miss Jillian, right? And she good. She good on her thing. Me not gonna take her thing. But it coming like me is just one of them workout. Tegereg there. Me need a Tegereg workout that is going to bruise and batter me. And for me, that is Shaun T. So I went back to insanity. Because you know, Shaun and I had come to like a little disagreement, and then I started cheating on him with himself with hip hop abs, and then Miss Jillian, she coming at the thing, and I don't know what it is. When me do the workout with Shaun, I really feel like me a workout. The only thing is that me cannot do that 6 days a week because I feel like I'm going to capsize, like kind of with holding at the bottom, but I feel like I'm working out. It's like me just need the Tegereg workout. Me need for just a drop and I come up and I feel make all of them type of sound. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so I did it. Not the one that I was due to do according to the schedule that I had. I don't even remember what I did. I'm a computer having a problem, so you know. I did a one. It's like a core cardio and conditioning or something like that. Yeah, me do it. I feel good. My body feel fit. I miss working out when I'm not doing it, I don't miss it. When I start doing it, I remember that I missed it. Because I just feel so much better now. Like everything what did happening at the day no matter. Because I do my workout and I know I do something for my body. And I just feel good. With my little Tegereg workout, Shaun T come in like a man when me in a bad relationship with, where we fight and cuss and argue at daytime. But when night come, me cooking food and taking back because I love him. Shaun T, what have you done to me? Anyway. We're back together. Shaun and I are back together. This is my Olympic here, in case you didn't mention it, notice it. Yes, I'm being inspired by the Olympics because I know that you say never always used to run like that, like him did that for train and so I'm just like train up myself for turning into something. Not just saying, but something else. Big up to everybody who's been doing their workouts when I haven't been doing mine. If you have not been doing your workouts, now is the time to start doing them again. Join us on More Fitness over on Facebook. Somebody, please motivate me, because when I stop, you must bad me up, you must bad me up and ask me why I'm not working out. Because all it means is that I'm here eating 5 pounds of breadfruit a day. Me say me round like an English pound. Me tell you something, just big. And some days I like it. Some days I'm just in my big body, just so pleased. I'm just like, I'm just firm. I'm just a firm black woman, but sometimes when the steps back for you, that's not good. So either way, I'm back. Hi everybody. Hello world. Bye now.